Swarga, Pavarga, Narkeshu, Apitulyartha Dhartinaha, Darshinaha, Swarga, Narka, everything is equal for them. They don't care. They are so happy and blissful in Krishna consciousness. They are Pandavas. Externally speaking, Pandavas suffering, they did not suffer for a moment. Devotee never suffered. Devotee always in the bliss of Krishna consciousness. It's like Prahlad Maharaj. Externally he suffered. He was in the moving in the waves of love of Krishna from the moment of his birth. It is said when he was born, just by seeing his body in ecstasy in love of Krishna, even the demons are getting purified. It is so powerful. The body of a pure devotee, even darshana is powerful because his body is moving by love of Krishna. The darshana also purifies.